2023 Press Note. Schedule for the general elections to the Legislative Assemblies of Telangana, 2023. Important dates. Date of issue of Gazette notification. 3 November 2023. Friday. Last date of nominations. 10 November 2023. Friday. Date for scrutiny of nominations. 13 November 2023. Monday. Last date for withdrawal of candidatures. 15 November 2023. Wednesday. Date of poll. 30 November 2023. Thursday. Date of counting. 3 December 2023. Sunday. Date before which election shall be completed. 5 December 2023. Tuesday.